Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of The Wellness Connection. I'm Michelle LeMay, and today's episode, I've got a really easy recipe for you. It's for an Italian seasoning mix, and it's a homemade one where you can control what goes in it. And we're going to call it Sicilian style because my grandmother was born in Sicily, so this is sort of a tribute to her because when she would make recipes, I'd ask Grandma, how much did you put in? And she goes, whatever it takes. We used to drive me crazy. Now I drive my family crazy. So hopefully you'll drive your family crazy, but they'll really like this recipe because you can use it in so many different things. If you do like it, please give us a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our good content every week. So here's the recipe. Enjoy. Mangia.